Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video we are going to study the question answers summary and notes of class 5 English lesson number 8, that is the dinner party. In that, first is comprehension questions. First main, answer the following questions. Question number 1, who are the hosts and guests in the story? Answer, a colonial official and his wife, army officers and government officials and their wives. Question number 2, describe the place where the dinner is hosted. Answer, dining room, which has a bare marble floor, open rafters and white glass doors opening onto a veranda. Question number 3, what is the young girl discussing with the colonel? Answer, a woman's unfailing reaction in any crisis and a man's nerve control. Question number 4, according to the colonel, who has greater self-control, the man or the woman? Answer, man. Next, question number 5, why do you think that the American did not join the discussion? Answer, the American is a naturalist who just observes others and study their reactions, so he did not join the discussion. Question number 6, what did the hostess want her servants to do? Why? Answer, the hostess want her servant to place a bowl of milk on the veranda just outside the open doors. Just a cobra had crawled over her feet. Question number 7, do you think this action was a routine one? Answer, no. Question number 8, what made the naturalist think that there must be a cobra in the room? Answer, in India, milk in a bowl means only one thing, bait for a snake. He realizes there must be cobra in the room. Question number 9, where did the American search for the cobra? Answer, he looked up at the rafters, the likeliest place, but they were bare. The 3 of the rooms were empty and in the 4th the servants were waiting to serve next course. So he deduced that the cobra might be under the table. Next, question number 10, what did the American do to test the self-control of the people at the dinner party? Answer, when the American naturalist concluded that the cobra was under the table, his first impulse was to jump back and warn others, but he did not want to frighten others and the cobra into striking one of them. In a sobering tone, he announced that he just wanted to know what self-control everyone at the table had. He challenged them that he will start counting to 300, that's 5 minutes, and asked everyone to not to move a muscle, and those who moved will lose 50 rupees. All the 20 guests sit like stones images while he counted. When he was counting 208, the cobra emerged from under the table and went to the veranda where the bowl of milk was placed. When the guests saw the cobra, they were shocked and started screaming, but the American quickly jumped up and slammed the veranda door safely shut. Question number 11, who shows great self-control in the stray, the American guest or the hostess? Answer, the hostess. Question number 12, how does the American figure out that there is a cobra under the table? Answer, the American naturalist, while watching the hostess, observed a strange expression come over the face of the hostess. She was staring straight ahead, her muscles contracting slightly. She gestured to the servant standing behind her chain and whispered something to him. The servant's eye widened and he quickly left the room. The American then noticed that the servant placed a bowl of milk on the veranda just outside the open doors. In India, milk in a bowl means bait for a snake. He looked up at the rafters, the likeliest place where they were bare. The 3 of the rooms were empty and in the 4th the servants were waiting to serve the next course. So he deduced that the cobra might be under the table. Question number 13, the colonel believes that women behave very differently from men in a crisis. Do you agree with the colonel's belief? Answer, yes, I agree that the women behave very differently from men in a crisis. Women have more patience though the cobra was crawling across Mrs. Winnes's feet. She kept her self-control. Question number 14, how do you describe the followings? First, the American naturalist. He is one who kept control of the difficult situation in the lesson. B. Mrs. Winnes. She realized that a cobra was in the room because it was crawling across her foot, but she kept her self-control. C. The colonel. The colonel is a male-centric person. He believed that men have more nerve control than women. D. Servant. The servants were obedient and discreet. Next, language exercises. In that first main, use the following words in sentences of your own. Forfeit. The student cheated in the exam, so he had to forfeit an year. Forfeit an year of schooling. Sober. The children were playing daily in the garden, but they all turned sober when they saw a cobra crawling about. Gesture. The teacher gestured at Nagaraj and called him to solve the math problem on the board. Stare. It is not right to stare at physically handicapped people. Next, grammar. In one of the earlier lessons, you have learned the functions of adjective. In this lesson, let's learn how the three different forms of degree of adjective forms. The three different forms, that is degrees of adjectives, are the positive degree, the comparative degree and the superlative degree. Usually the comparative degree is formed by the addition of er to the positive degree. Example, tall, taller, short, shorter. The superlative degree is usually formed by the addition of est. Example, strong, stronger, strongest. Broad, broader, broadest. Near, nearer, nearest. Now form the comparative and superlative degrees of the adjectives given below. Positive, comparative, superlative. Fine, finer, finest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Dear, dearer, dearest. High, higher, highest. Fair, fairer, fairest. Long, longer, longest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Fair, fairer, fairest. Cool, cooler, coolest. Low, lower, lowest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Few, fewer, fewest. Next, second main, match the adjectives given in the column A with the column B. So on the left side, on A column, it is given brilliant, sharp, loud, juicy, heavy, busy, rough. On the right side, it is given C, light, shower, knife, fruit, noise, cut, street. We have to match. The correct answers are brilliant, light, sharp, knife, loud, noise, juicy, fruit, heavy, shower, busy, street, rough, C. These are all the adjectives. Next, third main, complete the phrases below using appropriate adjectives. A delicious meal, a rough sea, a cute child, a gold ring, a terrible accident, a barking dog, an interesting story, a tough task, a good friend, a beautiful hat. Next main, write 5 sentences of your own using any of the completed phrases above. Nazir read a thrilling story about pirates. My uncle has a barking dog. Francis is a good friend. Arabian Sea is a rough sea. My mother prepared a delicious meal. Now here is the dinner party summary in English. Here is the dinner party summary in English. The lesson Dinner Party, written by Mona Gardner, explains about the importance of self-control. A colonial official and his wife are giving a large dinner party for the army officers and the government officials and their wives, and a visiting American naturalist. A spirited discussion springs up between a young girl and a woman. The American notices that the servant placed a bowl of milk on the veranda just outside the open door. He realizes there must be cobra in the room. The American told all that he would count 300, that was 5 minutes, and not one of you is to move a muscle. Those who move will forfeit 50 rupees. The 20 people sat like stone images by the typie. The cobra emerged and went to the veranda where the bowl of milk kept. The colonial appreciated the American who has just shown us an example of perfect control. So this is all about the summary, question answers and notes of lesson number 8, the dinner party of class 5 English. If you want the other lessons, you can check the playlist of my channel. You can also check the question answers and notes of EVS class 5 in the playlist of my channel. Thanks for watching.